Hi, welcome to my new software engineering channel. My name is John Green and I'm a senior software engineer with around 10 years worth of experience. I've worked on a number of different technologies. This ranges from developing embedded devices including crafting custom Linux distributions using tools like the Yocto project and developing high-speed applications in C and C++. I've also delved into desktop applications and web applications with frameworks like Qt for C++, C#, Angular and more. I've created back-end infrastructure using the latest cloud technologies and I'm a proud AWS community builder. Today I'm launching this, my new YouTube channel, to share with you my knowledge and experience with a variety of different software development topics. I'm hoping that this channel will be a great resource for those of you who are just starting out, as well as for the experienced developers who want to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, I hope that you'll find something of value here. I'm looking forward to sharing my knowledge and experience with you, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.